What are you willing to do to make a difference in your life to finally be happy? When you really think about it, how many hours within your life do you actually work? In a day, 8 hours, you work 8 hours a day. You drive an hour to work and an hour back, maybe not, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. If you know that you have to work for the rest of your life to live, most of us will have to work until we die, right? Most of us won't even be able to retire if we wanted to. Then knowing that, what are you willing to do with your life now? Are you willing to work majority of your life doing something you hate, or do something you love and finally be happy? Alright guys, what's up YouTube? It is Tuesday. I actually am working from home today, but what's happening right now is that I'm actually gonna go to the doctor's office. So what I did today is actually work from home in the morning. It's about between 11 and 12 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the doctor's appointment and then head to the office after. So one of the benefits of having an awesome employer and just being a developer, you know. So let's go ahead, let's head to the doctor's and take care of myself.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Guys, YouTube, I know I'm so sorry. I did not vlog at the hospital. I actually gave me the best medicine I've had in a long time. There's something I actually have not told you guys. Early last year, as you know, in January, I finally got health insurance. And the reason I became a programmer was to take care of my health, to take care of the needs I need for my body. And I finally got that. But something I never told you guys was that I didn't have it on auto pay. And what happened was that I actually forgot to pay my health insurance, and in result, my insurance got terminated. So ever since March, my insurance has been gone, which sucked. But that's one of the reasons I also went vegan, is because by going vegan, I was able to control the condition I had. And one really great news that happened, and I had no idea, I heard that this could work, and I heard stories of it, and I didn't think it would happen to me. Things that I had is hypertension, really bad hypertension, pretty much, which is high blood pressure. And when I went to see the doctor 2 days ago, my doctor, he actually told me, Chris, I kind of can't believe this, but your hypertension is gone. Usually, you need this. You need to take high blood pressure pills for the rest of your life. Once you start, you never stop, because usually people's high blood pressure doesn't go away. But I told him I stopped eating meat. I started eating vegetables. I'm vegan now, and he still doesn't believe that going vegan is what helped me doing that. But honestly, I do believe that. And why did this happen? Because yes, I'm a programmer, but I did something about it. Instead of hoping that someone will take care of me and give me my needs, I knew what it is that I needed and what I needed to get there, and that's why I'm here. So for everyone else out there too who's in this situation, I know there are people who have health problems too, and there are people who just need help financially. Stop just waiting for someone to help you. Do something about it. Don't just think that someone will just put, you know, these jobs on your lap, and like, you just have to find a way to get there, you know. All right, I'm gonna go back to work, guys. I'm ending my lunch break, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, what's up YouTube? It is early, man. I woke up at 5:30 today. It is 6:42 a.m. Today's Thursday, actually. Wow, day's going by fast. So I'm coming early, around like 6:30ish today. Head out, let's get into the office. I'll see you guys when it's a little brighter out here. Let's go. Alright YouTube, what's up guys? So I just got out of the hospital right now, man. It's kind of crazy. I'm just really thankful that I got into the industry, and because I got into the industry, like, I'm able to do what I do now, you know. And so I'm very thankful, I'm very humbled. For example, like, my insurance that I have is extremely expensive, right? It's extremely expensive. And you know, the reason that I had these health problems in the past too is because I couldn't afford the medicine. Because number one, the insurance is expensive, and not just that, even the medicine's even like 100 times more expensive, right? For example, right, I'm not gonna tell you what's in here. This bag, it cost me a total of like 60 bucks for everything in here. But if I didn't have insurance, I would have had to pay $3,670 for this, right? And you know, because I put in that effort a year and 9 months ago, actually 2 years ago now, to learn code, and because I was hoping, even though I didn't think it would, I didn't think it would be possible, because I put in that effort and wondered, like, man, I hope this will be worth it. But you know what? I have to try something, and because I did it, I'm able to take care of my health now. You know. Now, Now I know I'm contradicting myself because I have a really bad flu right now. So, you know, I'm very thankful. Oh my gosh, I can take care of my health, but now I have a really bad flu. But you know what I mean, guys. So I need to get better. I am really out of it right now. I don't feel good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some pho right now. I'm here next to Boba Loca at the pho restaurant. Really delicious pho. I'm gonna get some food, vegan style. And I'll see you guys when I get inside. I'm not gonna talk to myself in the restaurant. That looks weird. I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay?
To see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny.
Alright guys, honestly I'm not really sure if you guys can even see me right now. The mic's in the way, not bright enough. There you go, YouTube. So I really want to talk to you guys really quick. It is the end of the day. It's late at night and it's not the day from other vlogs, and I really didn't end the vlog with any talking, but this is something that is kind of deep in my heart that I want to talk to you guys about really quick. Something happened today. I don't want to go into too much details about it because it's very personal, but you know, in regards to what happened, I want to give you guys a very special message. When you really think about it, the chances of you existing today is one of like what, I think 400 million or 400 trillion. Like, you know, when you and your mom and dad came together and made you, the chances that out of all the sperm that was selected to even exist today, that you would have got selected is like 1 out of 400 million, if not even more. The fact that you were born, we're all eventually going to die one day, right? You're eventually going to die. There's going to come to a point in your life where you stop breathing, whether it's from old age, whether it's from an accident, car accident, whether maybe you choke on your own food, whatever it is. But everyone will eventually die one day. You know, there will come a point in your life where you're not alive anymore, right? When you think about that, then, if there's one life that you have right now to live, what are you doing with it? If you have literally only one life to live, and this is it, every hour you spend every day you'll never get back, then think about then, what are you doing with this life that you have? Yeah, life is hard right now, but again, all of us are gonna eventually die one day. And knowing that you don't have that much time left, everyone eventually heart stops beating. When I was thinking about it, like, life doesn't care if you're born in America or not. Life doesn't care if you're born in a wealthy family or not. Life doesn't care if you went to school or not, graduate school or not, if you have white skin, brown skin, you know, tan skin, yellow skin, whatever it is, right? Filipino skin like me. Life doesn't care about that. Life doesn't care if you're born in a privileged family or not, born in poverty or not. All of those excuses or problems are things that everyone goes through, right? Knowing that life doesn't care about your problems, what are you willing to do to make a difference in your life to finally be happy? When you really think about it, how many hours within your life do you actually work? In a day, 8 hours, you work 8 hours a day. You drive an hour to work and an hour back, maybe not, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. If you know that you have to work for the rest of your life to live, most of us will have to work until we die, right? Most of us won't even be able to retire if we wanted to. Then knowing that, what are you willing to do with your life now? Are you willing to work majority of your life doing something you hate, or do something you love and finally be happy? And that's why Dev's life, that's why I created Dev's life. Dev's life is code, create, live. You code, you create. But when I say live, it's not just living in code, but finally be able to live the life you've always wanted to live and be happy. So many people have so many complaints. Chris, I live in a third world country. Or Chris, you know, I'm in a situation that's difficult. Chris, I live in a city in the US that's difficult. Man, you live in the US, anything's possible. Everyone has all these excuses of why they can't do it. Well, if coding doesn't work, then find something else that works. There's always a way. But life doesn't care about your complaints, you know. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog with this here. And yeah. Life is so short, man. Life is so short. You have only one life. Live it.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing